Hello guys. Should have if it has to be aggressively bullish, it should have to. Sorry guys. I hope you guys can hear me. Sorry guys. Always an issue, man. Always an issue. It should have to not to come down to this current level gap. Tends to be bullish. 100 and so brutal, by the way. Sorry guys. I hope you guys can hear me. Uh, I'm not feeling I don't know. I'm don't know. I have not been into sleep for like 3 days. 2 days, 2 nights. I have not sleeping at all. Yeah, like you can say that I have slept, but not a proper sleep. I was just slept for like 3 4 hours and then slept in a chair. Yeah. So that's why my was maybe like that. I wanted to discuss about like market right now. So 1 minute time frame chart. I hope you guys can hear me. First of all, let me check. Uh, so so right now this is 1 minute time frame chart, and just we go to a bigger picture time frame. We are bullish from here on the market, looking or anticipating from the market to go to 105k, 104 500 and 105k. It has been gone toward upper side. We have taken aggressive entry at this point, very small amount of aggressive entry. And why we have taken this entry, like after the opening market was completely sideways, it's come down, knocked these local lows. It was trading inside 1 hour time fairly gap. This is pink area, and we are trading already above this 4 hour time fairly gap as well. Overall, we are on a bigger picture time frame. We are already bullish. On daily time frame as well, we have seen that open knocked these two low, this low, these highs, these highs. This weekly high could be the reason for the market to be bullish. We are anticipating that. On 4 hour time frame as well, the market has yesterday come down aggressively to this daily fairly gap, hold this area aggressively. It has went toward upper side, invert this 4 hour time frame fairly gap as well. Last 4 hour time frame market has wicked into that, and the inverted 4 hour time fairly gap. This is 1 hour time fairly gap as well, and then today this 4 hour time frame market has seen that. We've seen that market open go down to this 1 hour time frame fairly gap. It did not need to go down below this low. It did not needs to go down below this 4 hour time frame low. From here going up, we have to find a reason as well why it should be bullish. These highs 104 200, 105 104 400, and 104 approximately 105k. These are the highs that could be the reason for the market to be bullish. And we also have this high as well. We have also have this high, and we have weekly high as well. That these are, I'm anticipating that could be the reason for the market to be bullish from here, and we cannot deny this. It is possible. The way market has recovered from this downward side first section from yesterday, it seems to me that it really wants to go toward upper side, but that's why we have taken aggressive entry at this point. I thought we can, but it's a very small amount of trade. I'm not I have not put my stop loss up till now. I'm anticipating that it should not have to come down to any of those fair value gaps. It should have to keep these fair value gaps open. While market was trading at this range, it has knocked these lows, coming back down, coming back up from here, turning at this range. I was thinking about from here market could be bullish. It has already knocked those previous lows. The and this after that we have these lows. These lows we are not anticipating from the market to be knocked, and it did not really needs to knock those lows. And this is what I was thinking about. Do you think this could be the bottom on the market, and from here market could be bullish, and then our market's in aggressive price action order? I was like, bro, you can risk very small amount. We have quite reasons for the market to be bullish, and then I took aggressive. I usually avoid aggressive entries on a market. I like before a week or 2 weeks ago, I was like aggressive entry, aggressive entry, aggressive entry. I was taking on all of those trades, and I was trading like every day. I was trading more of like I was like trading more of like 5 6 trades in a day, or in a week I was trading like 15 16 10 15 trades, like a very small trades. I was taking aggressive entries, and then overall and then I was like at loss or break even. I was like, what is it I'm doing actually? And most of the time I realize I'm taking aggressive entry on charts. That's why it is. I was like, no aggressive entry after that. This is the aggressive entry I've taken after a long quite a bit of time, and it is a very small amount. Yeah. So sometimes it played out, but not always. So this is how it is. Like I have defined it to you on a bigger picture time frame. What it is I am looking for the market to be knocked off. If, for example, I'm not. Yes, we are looking for this weekly high, this high as well to be knocked off, but it is not really mandatory that market has to knock all of those highs. In that case scenario, I'll be just looking for this high, which is at 105, which is 105, 105 in that case scenario possible. And then we have these daily highs, which has already been knocked. So this is what it is like. Also thinking about this high, 104 400 and 104 500. I'm looking for this week should be this kernel. If this kernel close bearish, it will be more of like uh scared me. I took it was 0.1. This is a very good trade, in a sense that it is a very small trade. And I'm also very content with that. Today is Friday, like, and we could anticipate pretty much choppy price action as well in the afternoon session. Overall, this week, anything can happen. By the way, it is not. This is what it is. It is not really mandatory that market has to be like going up from here to knock all of those highs, which is what we are aiming for. It is not mandatory. The way it has opened and sideways could come back down and remain sideways as well. But if market continue to trade on close to those highs uh, tomorrow, maybe Saturday and Sunday, we could anticipate a bullish price action toward upper side for all of those highs. We have seen that sometimes market do perform on weekends as well. But this 5 minute time frame close is not good. Seems to me not good. Yeah, close not well for me. I may look to close my position, or I should have to hold. Definitely should not have to come down below this low. Let's see how this can close. If it closes bullish, I'll put my stop loss below this low. This week is like more of like quite disturbing to me. This week is quite disturbing to me, bro. No, can I put my stop loss below this low now? This is what it is I'm thinking about. Market did not seem to me that it is really bullish. That's why I should have to put my stop loss below this low. I think so. If it has to be bullish, if it has to be bullish, it has to tends to be bullish. We should also have to keep in mind that it's already 11:16. Morning session is most probably is finished from 9:30 to 10:30 or maybe 11:30. More usually that's how the morning section lasts. Maybe we could anticipate a market could perform on. I'm closing my position right now. I got as for example like my stop loss was there, come down, I got stopped out. Overall positive trade. It was very small trade, aggressive trade, but it was not an ideal trade, not an obvious trade. I'm aiming for all of those highs, but it seems to me that market really did not want to go to the upper side to knock all of those highs. Yeah, and morning session is most probably is finished, and that's why like I am thinking about that. Uh, Afternoon session market may be bullish, but today is Friday as well, so overall, if you watch out like that, it has been a quite a bullish week. Uh, Not bullish week. Look at this. These daily candles are very choppy. Of like pretty much bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish. Thursday was a quite bullish day. I could agree, but we did not trade on Monday. I don't know. I did not have to think about everything. Like I remember I just took we just took a couple of trades on Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday, and then Wednesday as well. The body session market has done nothing, and we did not do nothing. Thursday there was very good trade. I missed that trade, and then now Friday. So overall, like technically speaking, there has been 2 days, 2 days, but having a very good trade. Um, Tuesday and Thursday. Thursday's trade we missed, and then Tuesday we have seen that we took some of the trades on Tuesday. Overall, we're closing this week bullish. If you can say like that. Initially, I was losing too much before the start of this week. What was the date before Monday? Monday was 12. On 12, we took very small trades. 13, 12. 12, we took a couple of two. Yeah, we took very small trades. 171. I do not remember really. 11 on Sunday. Yeah, Saturday, Sunday we took small trades, and then 12 we took one small trade, positive. 13 Tuesday initially was very yeah. Initial first trade for me, I took aggressive entry, then I closed at break even. Second trade I got actually stopped out. I was like I stopped out. Third trade more of like a revenge trade, and then fourth trade I was like it was a normal trade. It could have not. Well, yeah, fourth trade was a fine trade. I would say that like I watched the price action. We watched the price action. Forgot about what is happening. I had that. we let the trade run. It was like more of a, like aggressive entry, not aggressive entry, but we was anticipating what we should have to be aggressive, and then we were toward up side. We took a very big size, was losing too much. And 15, if we can say, I do not know. 15 is yesterday. 15. Yeah, initially we took one small trade. Yeah, yesterday. It yeah, we took a profit initially. It was aggressive trade as well yesterday. Yesterday as well, I took aggressive trade. It was small trade, and then it was in New York session, and then I was not at all focused yesterday on the charts, and that's why I miss a big move. And after that, I was pissing myself. And today we have just taken this very small amount of trade, and there. If we discuss about yesterday, um, uh, I want to keep this chart in play. Why? Like this is what it is. Like it has done a quite aggressive bullish candle from here, and war market is not going toward upper side aggressively. This is what it is. I'm thinking about right now. Like why, man? Why? Like it is coming back down. It should have to respect 1 minute time frame PD areas and tends to be bullish from here toward all the way toward upper side, but it is not really willing to be bullish from here. We're trading close to the previous highs. It does not matter that market has to be bullish. If you can say like that, like we're trading very close to the previous highs, it does not matter market has to be bullish. It could be coming back down as well. We cannot deny that. It could be coming back down for 1, 2, 3, all of those lows. You cannot deny this. And yeah, I wanted to sleep as well, man. Yeah, because yeah, tomorrow will be quite interesting day. I'll be working from 12 a.m. to 7 a.m. Sunday. More of like 24 plus 7. It will be 24 plus 7. 24 plus 7 is 31. And then from 10 to 5 again in a cafe. And on Sunday, it will be 7 hours more. So you can say that tomorrow whole day 24 hours, and Sunday up till 5 p.m. 12 plus 5 is 17. 24 plus 17. 24 plus 17, 34, and 41 hours, man. I'll be working straight 41 hours, yeah, including if we include travel as well, I'll be working 48 hours, because today I have to travel from 12 all the way, and then yeah, straight away, including travel as well, around about 48 hours. I'll be working straight 2 days, like Saturday and Sunday, and Monday I have to go for my job again early in the morning, 3 4. And I want to see like if you have any news next week. Sunday, we have Monday in the news, 19. Even Thursday, unemployment. G7 meeting is also interesting. So yeah, so this did not seem to me that market really wants to go to the upside, but it still could be bullish. We cannot deny this. This is what it is I was thinking about, like just today, bro. Like why I missed this the yesterday trade. I was not focused, and then look where I am right now mentally and definitely financially as well. More important is like mentally where I am. Like, bro, you should have been like one step above if you have like been focused on charts, and then you're not focused on charts, you're still at that same place, and then you're not actually looking forward to the things. You think about past, and then you overthink about certain elements, and then you remain distracted. And that's why you got stuck into one place. That's what I was thinking about, bro. If you really have to do the trading, it requires your peace, your own circle, your own very small circle, your own space. You have your own peace in your mind. You have like focused, you have to be focused on the charts all the time, and you have to have a goals on the trading all the time, that this is what I have to achieve, this is what I want to do right now, this is what I have to do in the next 3 months, and the next 1 month, 2 month, next to 1 month, next week, today this is what I have to do no matter what, and put your 100% efforts into that, and keeping in mind that results are not in your hands, and you should have to be willing to put your effort into this. Be your own, be at your own, on your own self. Do not think about anything. Do not be distracted by people, do not be distracted by women, all that. Be on your own space, be your own mindset, and then yes, I'm not saying that you don't need to talk to any woman. I'm saying that as a friend, you can talk to women. Maybe, who knows, at some point that person would be the one person in your life. That's why you should also have to be like, give yourself enough of the chance that this person could be your one and only person. For that reason, you should have to talk to girls as well, just as a friend. But in your mind, your top priority should always be trading, and then you should always have to be focused on your charts. Nothing is more important than that. When it comes to trading, you should never and ever at all compromise on your trading. This is how it is, like I am really thinking about right now. That's how it should be if you really want to become a trader, man. Otherwise you do the things you're doing, man. Otherwise you don't need to be like, be happy at yourself or yourself, whatever you are, however you're doing. I don't know, man. Because we're still trading inside this 5 minute time frame gap, we should have to be bullish. Look for the market to go to the upside. And we have created this big massive 15 minute time frame gap as well. I'm saying to you guys, bro, like don't lose your focus on charts. Because market is sloppy does not matter, it could not be bullish. At any point it could be bullish from here, and then you should have to keep your eyes on charts all the time. So this is a 15-minute time frame fairly gap as well market has created. Let's see, like from here it should be bullish, or maybe coming back down, trading inside this range, and then try to be bullish as well. That's how it is. Most of the time I'm not focused on charts. Most of the time I'm distracted. Any another day, every another day, next day, like 2 days, I'm like focused. I have to do the things. I'm focusing on that, and then very next day I feel like, oh my god, I'm not focused. Yeah, I feel like, yeah, another day I'm not focused, and then and the same circle is continue to be repeat, continue to repeat. Uh, to some bad things, and then realize I've done wrong, and then I'm again focused 2 days, next 3 days again same thing happening. I feel like I'm a little bit better, but I really have to be to get this shit out from this mindset as quickly as possible. So as we have tapped into this 15-minute time value gap, let's see market has potential to aggressively bullish from here to knock this high and all of those previous highs, which is what we are aiming for. Or it is possible that it could create top at this way and come back down as well. And we'll see from here how market will react. From there, how market will react. We'll see from here how market will react to this range. I don't know what is happening in here. My mouse is very slow. So we're just watching and observing the charts right now. I'll be in front of the charts with you in the maybe an afternoon session as well. I don't know. Maybe at up till 1 o'clock in the London time, New York time. It's 11:30, 12:30, 1:30. Because I wanted to see that maybe in the afternoon session market could be bullish, because up till now morning session has been completely sideways price action, complete sideways price action from the market. This has been not a very much ideal trading environment. This point is difficult to buy because you're still trying to figure out like how market would perform. Uh, at that point, you definitely cannot buy. Going up, come back down. Then you can look for buy. Now it has come down. We're still bullish overall. Still looking for the market to go to the upper side. Yeah. Let's see how it will perform at this range. I don't know actually how it could perform. If you watch out, this is very slow, very choppy price action up till now. Market has performed, and yeah, we are anticipating it should have to be bullish, but as it is very slow, still it could be bullish. But I would be not confident that If it remains low at this at that like it is, I will be not confident that it could knock all of those highs. Maybe it still be bullish, very slow, very choppy, and then slowly going up. But it will be not an ideal trade for me. Yeah, but we're watching, observing the charts. I will be, yeah, I will be. Yeah, I have to sleep, and then I have to go for gym, and I have to go for a job as well in the night again today. Oh my god, I really needs to sleep. I think so. I may skip gym today. And definitely next 2 days as well. I could not be able to go to the gym. So yeah, the thing is like for me, yeah, I've started calisthenic. I can train at home as well, which is good. We'll see. We'll try to figure out. So up till Monday, I'm packed busy. I wanted to change something as well. Or something is happening, man. Look at this, it is coming back down. I feel like I'm feeling sick, bro. This is not good. Look at this. This market is very choppy, very sloppy. But maybe who knows? At any point, they should be. They could be. Let's see. Do you think are you confident on if can I buy at this point, considering the fact that we're already bullish trading above this 15-minute time frame fairly gap, and then from here it should have to be bullish. Uh, but stop loss should be below this low. It should have to be bullish. I'm not confident on all of these two lows. If it come down inside this range, give me a local bottom at this range, then I will be confident to buy because we're bullish overall. That's why. We'll see from here. We'll see from there. All of those highs, yeah, maybe not. Uh, maybe market has to not to knock even this high, even it has to just create this high. Could be the top, and market because it's Friday, market may do nothing, and then it could be coming back down more of a like remain a downward side at this range. Yeah, it is possible as well. This probability is also possible. We cannot deny this. If you can say like that, maybe it has to create high another high at this point, and it has to be coming back down inside these ranges, and then throughout the weekend it will remain at here, and then next week it is bullish for all of those major highs. Possible, cannot deny this. So that's it is no. It is also possible that maybe it will be trading very close to. If it has to do this, like I would anticipate that it should not have to spend much time close to the previous highs. It should have to show rejection, then it should have to be more of like come back down. Spending too much time close to the previous highs, it will be I will be more of a like yeah, it could knock all of those highs, maybe into weekends as well. This is what is we are preparing ourselves for the weekend. We are preparing ourselves for tomorrow as well. Everything we are doing just alongside with the trading. We have taken a very small amount of trade up till now. Just quickly let you know, guys. If yeah, if it shows it here, it was very aggressive, very small trade, and then we bought it here. Here, this candle. I was like, it could be aggressively bullish, knocking all of this high, all of those local highs, and this area as well. And then it comes down. When it was more of like my stop loss is there, I was like my stop loss is there, come down, stop out in profit. So yeah, we, we have not taken any trade after that. I'm not confident to take any kind of trade right now. I'm bullish, looking for the market to go to the upper side, but not confident on to buy right now. The reason is why I would not take looking. I'm not looking for to trade. I'm bullish, looking for the market to go to upper side, but I'm not like actually. I'm not like actually pushing the buttons. The reason is market is very slow and very choppy, and I'm not confident on this slow and choppy price action. And while market is trading at the top levels of the trading very close to the previous highs, trading very close to the previous highs, very slow, very choppy means could roll down. If it has to knock those highs, the previous highs should have to tends to be bullish to knock all of those highs. That's it. That's why we are not confident to go for any kind of trade at the moment. You know what? I wanted to go for a short right now for these two lows and 15-minute time really gap. Let's see. Can I put my stop loss above this high or this high? Let me see. We this is not this is a virtual. It could be virtual trade, or I would say that just a imagination trade. Uh, yeah, we could go down from there. Uh, 15-minute time frame, 30-minute time frame, 1 hour time frame. Look at this. This is what I was just telling you. I wanted to go for a short. I was trying to figure out like my stop loss above these highs. I'm looking for this low, and 15-minute time frame really gap. Possible it could go down from there. Not a very much ideal trading environment, but we are watching the charts. We have to watch the charts. So we started actually at 4 o'clock, by the way. Yeah, started in the last year 4 o'clock. So I just studied the market for 2 hours at 6 o'clock. If you finish, or should have to close right now and sleep and look after the market after. So it is I'm thinking about. I can sleep later as well. It is fine, but I really wanted to see. I'm not confident on all of these three lows. Could be roll down from here, could knock those highs, then be very slow, very choppy right now. Let's see now. This my stop loss above this high. This time it should have to knock these three lows and 15-minute time frame fully gap. What it is we are aiming for. It's very slow and choppy right now. Not an ideal trading environment, guys. And yeah, can I go for sleep? The reason is market is not doing anything, and then oh, I have to be in front of the charts. I hope you guys can hear me. I don't know, man. What are you talking about? So it is going up. Let's see, because at this point you don't know. I was not confident on all of these lows. It went up, went up. We can't do anything. This is what it is. Do you think like it has a potential to this 30-minute time frame to knock the previous highs? I don't think so. I don't think so. And 1 hour time frame we have like 1 hour time frame about to close as well. You can be bullish, by the way, considering 1 hour time frame. If it closed like that, this could be a bullish order block. For open, go down to this bullish order block. We will be bullish, looking for all of those highs. You can anticipate that it could play it out. The 4 hour time frame is about to close as well. So yeah, next 4 hour time frame candle is important to watch because it could be aggressively bullish. 12 to 3 4, yeah. On this 4 hour time frame candle, I'm anticipating that open go down a little bit to this red candle, which is a bullish shadow block. From here, try to disrupt this previous 4 hour time frame, these two highs, or maybe these two highs as well. Possible, likely possible, cannot deny this. If it went up like that, we cannot do anything about that because at this point we don't know. At this point we don't know. I will not feel like I have missed the move because at this point I was not confident on all of those lows. Still not confident on all of those lows. It is possible it could not these 2 day 4 out of highs. 104 500 approximately, and then come down, maybe left not to go for the high, possible as well. Let's see, it is going up and it has been this is quite bullish, keeping these fair value gaps open. Let's see if it goes to all the way to 104 500 approximately. I'm aiming for 104,500 this range. After that, we will see if market has the potential to this if market has a potential to continue to be bullish or create local top coming back down, which is what I would anticipate from the market to do. But it is not really mandatory that it has to be create a local top and then roll down. Because we're bullish, it could be bullish as well. But overall, if you watch out up till now, 9:30 on 15-minute time frame candle, 9:30 the open at this one. It was very sideways, very choppy. Current fairly gap tapped into that, going toward upper side, which is good. Knocking this high, which is good. Let's see. Oh yeah, you cannot do anything about that, man. As a trader, you have to be, even though from here market went all the way to 106K as well, I would be not feeling that I have missed the move. The reason is you don't know. You don't know at what point, like, if you draw this 15-minute time for fairly gap, you can say that the 5-minute time frame it was already inside this 5-minute time frame fairly gap. After this candle could have been, but not an ideal. Yeah, look at the rejection. It's yeah. I wanted to see the charts for this hour, and then we will go for sleep, man. I can go for sleep at 6 o'clock. It's fine. I'll skip gym for today. We'll take rest, and we'll sleep again. Yeah, we'll see how the things they will play it out and everything. I'm just watching. I'm anticipating that from here, if market has a potential to continue to be bullish, because this has been a bullish price action from the market. Let's see if it do that. It if it could do that. Look at this. Like for example, if you bought at this point, are you feeling confident now? Like it is very slow, very choppy. It could roll over at any point over downside. I'm not confident that it could be continue to be bullish. Look at this 15-minute time frame, fairly gap as well. 30-minute time frame as well. Let me see 1 hour time frame. Not at all confident on this bullish move toward upper side from the market. Possible continue to be bullish, but very slow, very choppy. Possible because this has been bullish from the market like up till now. Went toward upper side after knocking the lows. Went toward upper side. Remained very slow, very choppy at this point. Fairly gap. Then went toward upper side. Cut fairly gap. Could be remain choppy at this range and then be bullish. Possible as well. We cannot deny this. But it is not for me it is not a very much ideal trading environment because but the other thing I'm really looking at right now is like it's very slow. That's how this is difficult to predict. Like this is getting very local bottom very close to each other, and from here to anticipate be bullish, and then difficult to predict that. We cannot deny this, and then difficult to trade as well. I usually try to avoid this kind of trading environment, but sometimes I've seen that many times I've seen that it played out. And it's the same thing on downward side as well. It remained very slow, very choppy, very clear highs, very close to each other, and then roll over. Same thing at here as well. It has done. For in that case scenario, we cannot do anything. Yeah, we cannot do anything. It's true. It's not in our hands, man. Yeah. I have to do some. We can do some shopping or something like that. We can focus on some other stuff. I wanted to do some shopping, man. It's very boring press section right now, bro. Let me think. Oh, what can I do meanwhile? Oi, oi. What can I do? Meanwhile, we're doing the tradings. The important thing, I would say, there's nothing. I think so. Can do. Uh, mhm. Because market is very slow, very choppy. That's why. I really have to think about my next week goal throughout this weekend. Yeah, and we'll try to focus on that. We'll try our best to focus on that. And the next week, I will have like less work. I'll be working more or only 2 3 days. 2 days, I think so. Three. Yeah, 3 days. We 3 weekdays and definitely weekends. 5 days, man. Oof. And yeah, oh my god, I'm feeling horrible right now. So look at this. Are you feeling confident? Like from here, you buy, and you took aggressive entry at here, and you're looking for, okay, it has knocked this high. You should definitely take profit at this point if you have taken buy at this point. And if you're looking for more of like, oh, market is going to this k, that k, and how you feel right now, not good. Or if you're not confident in all of those lows, you still buy, but uh, you do not take profit on this high. This is this high. Hope you guys can hear me now. You should. Otherwise, I'm going to be ending this live stream. Look at this. Going down, baby.